see that? You see that?
Hold it.
That's raggedy.
Cut it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kimberly Rowe here, of course. I have a random video right now. Random more so like I've been knew I was gonna do this. Random more so like you didn't know I was gonna do this. So we're going on vacation and I decided to get a protective style so I won't have to do my hair, of course. Since I decided to get the protective style, I was like, my ends are so raggedy. I want my ends to look really nice. And I want them to be clean and smooth. And we are following Deeper Than Hair's what is it? How to trim your own ends at home video. Hair appointment is at 12 and it is 10:08.
If you are new here, her strands of hair is always my professional shear of choice. She has different colors. First step is you want to just comb your hair all down to the front. Now I like to start with blow dried hair, everybody, so I like my hair to be straight. I know some people like deep.
Okay, so she like right in the corner of her hairline, so she like right here, and then so I got this line and she like over here. Let's see if that's right. Oh yeah, that's pretty decent. I can't see like the top of my head. And she has a pretty straight line. It looked pretty straight from here. Yeah.
It's just hair. That's what it is.
Y'all
so
can't
now that
even
I've
see.
looked over that, I'm gonna go and perfect my section. And I'm gonna pull it up. I'm just going to put it in between my pointer and my middle
See
finger.
that? You see that?
Hold it.
That's raggedy.
Cut it. And I'm going to take that off. Guys, this was so hard for me to do this using just the camera.
This is hard to do, baby. A little more steady. And you're going to see a lot of flyaways because when I had my daughter, a lot of my hair just fell out. The edges mostly. So, that hair is growing back, so I have a lot of like stragglies in the front. Because honestly, I cannot cut like that. So this is how much we are cutting off. I hope I got that on camera. This is how much we cut off. See how raggedy that is? This is so sad. I can't even get it on camera. Whatever, y'all. I'm stretching all the way up. See? A fuzz ball. Go to the other piece. These. Woo! Oh, I'm going to take some more of this off. I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm doing, but there's like, my hair is like curling around, so I'm like trying to get the pieces. That look better, right? That look better. Yeah. Okay, try to make sure I'm in the frame. This gonna have to fall on the floor. My arms is tied. Y'all see what I cut? I hope y'all can. I might cut a little more off. raggedy. This looks super raggedy. You see that little raggedy piece? I don't care how uneven it is either. I'm cutting it off. It just looks like it's not supposed to be there. Cause it still look raggedy. Come on, the camera. I'm trying to line it up with the dough. Can't tell me that don't look better. You can't tell me. It's so hard to show on camera. Cause I can see what I'm doing, but I can't really show y'all. So I do it. I hope y'all can see. Feels so much better. It is kind of why I pinch it, because it's hard for me to hold it straight. Ooh, it was so many knots right there. Okay, let's see if that looks. Wow, it's like.
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
No, I'm only done with the front.
You're fine.
Yeah. No, I'm not done.
We're in quarantine, and so everyone does not go to the salon, and that's okay. So I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna show you how I do mine, because most of the time
I don't have the dark line she's talking about, because I trim my hair a lot, so it's thick all the way through. Y'all see. But I'm still just gonna cut this, because this is raggedy. Yeesh. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to do. Ooh, chalet. Oh, that hair goes. This is the part I just cut. So y'all see where that hit, and y'all see where this hit. Even. Ooh, that feels so good. It's gone. It's gone. Do she have enough wipes?
Yeah.
I wanted to close out the video, so I trimmed my hair. It looks and feels so much better. I'm trying to make sure I'm in the frame. It looks and feels so much better. I cut a decent amount off. So what she had me do in the front, I did in the back as well. And then one thing that I didn't go through and do was my edges like her, and I feel like I should have, because I have so much hair in the front that is growing back from postpartum. So, but I don't have time, honestly. My appointment is in like 45 minutes. And I still have to clean up all this hair. But yeah, my hair feels so much better. I'm so mad I had to switch. It feels so much better. It's bouncy. It's healthy now. So I'm about to clean up and get ready to go. Yeah, so this is the end of the video. This is random. I wish I could have finished filming on my camera, but I couldn't because of the memory card. So anyway, until next time, who knows, probably a renovation video next, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.